I'm going to show you guys how to make a template for your PPF if your vehicle does not have patterns or there's no patterns for your vehicle. It's really simple. Take a rough cut piece of PPF, lay it on. You can either tape it into place or use magnets like what I have here. And we're just going to take one of these China markers and we're going to go and we're going to go past the next panel's gap. This isn't making it the template to where we don't have to cut. I'll have to trim this, but this will make my install a lot easier when I'm not dealing with as much film. So we're just gonna make a rough template. Push this into place a little bit. Not like that. The reason we're using this China marker is because, as you can see here, it just rubs off. So if there's any left after your film is on, you can just rub it off. It's no big deal. This works for vinyl, for wrap, for PPF, all kinds. Quite rough here on the wheel well, so I don't need that to be exact. There we go. Now we can take this to a table, cut this out, and then lay it on and install it. Now that you've got it on the table here, we got our pattern. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna cut on the inside there because we do have extra, as you saw. Yeah, there we go. We got our pre-cut fender, templated fender. Looks like a fender piece. So we're gonna go ahead and move this over. Like I said, remove that extra. All right. So as you can see, because of how we cut that out, I got my little piece tacked on right in that corner. And because of what I did, set myself up for success. We're gonna just push that up there. We're gonna tack down this corner here. And you can see we have some stuff to deal with there. So we're gonna push that out that way. But at the same time, I'm a little short here, but I'm not actually, if that makes any sense, because I can just do a little stretch, which is gonna help with fingers over there. So we're gonna get that tacked right there. We got 2 fingers here. This, don't worry about that right now, because we can deal with that. So, get that down a little more. Pull this down. That's good. That, I'll just deal with it. As you can tell, we have nice fingers here, or wrinkles. Now, I do need to pull down here. So as I pull down here, you can tell those flatten out. And that right there is easy to deal with compared to that. So, grab. Okay, so here, I'm gonna pull up a little bit, get some tack solution. And we're just gonna tack that down right there. Here too, because we got some fingers here, we're gonna pull up on that. So we're gonna just tack onto that corner, right like that. Now here, this is where it gets a little satisfying. And we can just take and push that out like that. Just like that, no big deal. Then, work that down. And here we're gonna get some more tack solution in there. Slice it down. One little area there. Done. Just like that. Now we just gotta wrap our edges. We're gonna let those dry out. Spray some tack in there, let it dry out. Wrap our edges, trim, and we're good to go. hopefully that's helpful to you guys. It teaches you guys a little bit of how you can do a bulk install, but making it easier than just a full big piece of bulk. It's a custom template, custom hand cut templates. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next one.